Traders, let me show you how I make Forex easy for myself. Most of the cases we make Forex very hard, but let me show you how I caught this massive trade on gold. I've been trading gold for the longest, and trading gold as my major pair has made me profitable, traders. So when you're on here, make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the video. First things first, traders. If you want to learn how to trade, guys, and be profitable, stick to trading one Forex pair. When you relate it to any other business, just like drop shipping, the most successful people in drop shipping are dealing with only one product. So trading one Forex pair will make you profitable, traders. It won't make you profitable straight up, but with consistency and hard work, you'll be profitable, guys. So I've been trading gold for the longest. I've lost money in trading gold, but again, I've loved trading gold. So look at this, traders. The first thing, traders, I trade psychological zones. Psychological zones are zones in the market where price, whenever it comes there, it's always going to turn off. So the psychological zone that I have right up here is this one right here. You see, traders. Now you can clearly see that zone right there, traders. Now anytime when price comes to a psychological zone, I'm going to expect two things. Either price is going to break that zone or it's going to reverse. But when it's going to reverse, it gives me a structure. What structure? Forex patterns. Or it can give me a fake out. So if it gives me a fake out, I'm going to expect a pullback to that fake out. After the fake out, it will do a pullback to that zone that has tried broken. Or when it gives a forex pattern, it's either going to be a forex pattern like falling wedges, double tops, that tell me the price is going to reverse. So these are things that I look out for. And the other thing is, when I'm buying, I make sure that price has broken the resistance line. If I'm selling, I have to make sure that price has broken the support line. So look at these, traders. Now I had price approach this zone up here, you see, and obviously I've already made a video about this one, so I'm going to show you the new one that I caught. So I had price obviously approach this zone right here and then broke out. So I had price approach this zone right here, reversal pattern to the downside, you can see, and obviously price reversed for like a short period of time and then went back up here. So now for me, my main point is right here. When price approached this zone right here, it started giving me an ascending triangle, so I just make sure to draw it out. So when I see such volatility in the market, this is very less volatile. I don't trade here, guys. I make sure not to trade here because you'll be caught up trading and then losing money. I always love to trade where there's volatility. You can see that. So this is the pattern that I had. An ascending triangle is a reversal pattern. An ascending triangle is a continuation pattern to the upper side. For most of you guys will be asking, where is price continuing? Obviously, this is an uptrend market. Now, when this comes in, it means price is continuing to go to the upper side. And yes, you can see price was continuing to go to the upper side. But before price continued to go to the upper side right here, it first faked out people. And I was watching, obviously. So when you see price break this zone right here, which is our resistance line with much momentum, expect price to pull back here. And obviously, why would I expect this? Obviously, when you see this zone right here, we had a break of structure right here. You see, traders, a small break of structure. And what caused this break of structure? This much momentum, and this is aggressive selling. So meaning, price left this zone right here, which is our supply zone. So meaning, price had to come back to this supply zone right here. So for those people that know about this setup, where we have a break of structure, and what caused the break of structure is either demand zone or resist, is a demand zone or supply zone. They always maximize off that trade right there, guys. You can see, guys, you can only do this if you're trading only one forex pair. If you're trading so many pairs, forget about mastering this. You see, so this would be one of your first trades, but I didn't take this one. This would be one of your first trades. You can see this. Your good trades, you can see profits. But now for me, my main thing is I like to see support or resistance broken. And what is my support zone right here? This one right here, you can see this. Price broke my zone and closed from above. It broke my zone and closed from above, and I took my trade knowing price is approaching my psychological zone, which is up here. Everyone thought price was going to reverse and come back to the downside, which is down here. So most traders were thinking price is going to come back and fill up this fair value gap. So everyone thought price is going to break and come down here. But traders, you obviously see we have an ascending triangle. Why would you think price is going to come back down and fill up this fair value gap? No way. So price did the opposite. As everyone is thinking of where price is going to go and all that, price is going to always do the other way around. You can see. So me, I took my trade here as price was approaching up the upper part right there. You can see this. So I took my nice trade here, guys, as you can see, putting my stop loss just below right here, risking very less, and then putting my take profit at my psychological zone, guys. I had this nice buy trade, guys, and I had this right here in Dubai, guys, so, and you can see our price approaches my zone again. So as I mentioned, I like to trade when price comes back to my zones. So this was a good trade of a forex pattern. Now when price approaches this blue line again, price trades is going to do again, as I mentioned, it will give you forex pattern. It will try to fake out or to break out. When it breaks out, let price try to pull back in or give you a proper retest and then take your trade. Now here price gave us a fake out. You can see this green candle, price breaks out, another candle closes back from inside. Now anytime when you see a fake out like this, wait for price to pull back or to retest. This is the retest that I'm talking about right here. Price retested this zone right here, and again, this was a trade for me. This is something I've been trading for a long period of time. If you have been watching my videos for the longest, you have seen me take these types of trades. This was my other trade, obviously, you can see traders. This was my other trade, risking again, putting my stop loss just above right there, you see, and my target, putting it just here. Reason why, obviously, you can see when I pull this zone right here to this side, you can see this was a demand zone. You can see traders. Why was that a demand zone? This is the zone where this is the zone in the market that caused this upside move. So any zone that causes an upside move to the upper side, it means that is a demand zone. When price comes back there, you're going to see that V-shaped structure. You see, price just taps in and then pushes back to the upper side. You can see traders. And now price pushed back to the upper side. You can see traders after doing this. Now, one of the ways that I keep myself updated with fundamental analysis, so that I can know when is volatility going to be in the market or not, is I use Fastbull. Fastbull is the best platform for you to watch fundamental analysis, guys. So this is my Fastbull website. You can see traders. We have news, AI signals, analysis. We have 24/7 news and economic events. Now for me, I'm interested in the economic calendar. When you tap it right here, guys, they're going to bring you so many economic events that are going to happen. But when you notice that all these ones have 3 stars, the reason why I screened mine, I modified it to only having high volatile news. I don't want to have less volatile news. And how do you do that? You come to your screen right here, then go to more, and then you can see we have here no star, 1 star, and then 2 stars. But me, I modified mine to only 3 stars because I want momentum in the forex market. I want to see volatility. So guys, you see, before you start any trading, then make sure to check this, Fastbull, and check the economic calendar so that you can know what news events are going to drop. But also you can use it to get news. You can see we have news, we have AI signals, we have analysis, as you can see, and so many more. I'm going to be leaving the Fastbull link below this video, guys. Make sure to get your Fastbull counts, guys. So this is my gold pair. I've been trading gold for the longest, guys, and I only wait for price to come to my zones, and I'm going to play at only that zone. So the zone that this time around I was dealing with is this blue zone right here. You can see price approached it, gave me a pattern, and I know what happens when the pattern comes. I know how patterns move. So this is the zone right here, traders. You can see price approached it. As I mentioned, price is either going to fake out to give you a forex pattern, So you can see price approaches there, gives you this for the rising wedge. You can see traders. Not even just a rising wedge. When you see this, and this is more of a double, even top, you can see traders. So traders, you see, trading in the forex market has never been hard, traders. You just have to trade one forex pair and master it. Most of you guys would say, okay, I make these things very easy and simple. Yes, because I trade one forex pair. This is very easy for me. I'm not removed any data like replaying data doing this. I've just showed you straight up from what I've been trading. I know how to replay it so that you guys can blah blah blah. No, I've straight up told you what I traded and I made money off, guys. Forex patterns, psychological zones, fake outs. This is all under price action and probably a little bit of fair value gap, supply and demand. This is literally confluence, traders. Guys, if you want to be profitable, make sure to trade price action. Have patience and trade on one forex pair, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next. Peace.